bag. Cool. Let's get to the main event. It's pretty beat up. So yeah, it's X-E4. Strap, free SD card. Battery. USB cable. Camera. I thought it was black. They sent me the silver one, which is okay. I actually wanted the silver one, but on their website it was, on Lazada it was black. So they sent me the silver one, so that's good. Alright, so this is the new, well, not new, new for me, Fujifilm X-E4. She'll like that, I think. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's turn it on. Yep. No command dial here, no autofocus, focusing switch there, so yeah, that's a bummer. And this is the reason why I haven't uploaded any new video, because I didn't have a camera after I sold my X-H1. But maybe I'll be uploading soon again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.